Just one video can get you all the subscriber you need and all the watch hour that you need. If not all, half of the watch hour that you need. Yes, that is why it is good for every time you're uploading a video, make sure you put in your best and put in a quality video. Now, for you to be able to excel on YouTube, you just need one or two viral video. Yes, one or two viral video. And what I mean by one or two viral video is when your video is blowing up and is not going down anytime soon. When you are seeing this type of tick in your video average duration is green, your video impression click-through rate is green, and your video views is green. YouTube keeps recommending that video. It means that that video is going to blow up. Yes, this is an example of let me take you to my YouTube studio so you see what I'm talking about. This is an example of how a video on my channel has given me almost all the subscribers that I have right now. Yes, it has given me over 62 subscribers, and if you can see the reach, it has gotten to over 10,000 people. Yes, but this video right now has 1.3k views. It has 1.3k views. It means that this video is still going up. And if you can check, before I click on the inside of this video, you can see the tick on this video. All the ticks are still green, none of the ticks are blank. That means that this video is still going up and this video is blowing up on YouTube. I might not see it now, but it is blowing up on YouTube. It is virtually the most performing of my video. So if you're having this type of video on your channel, it means that you are going to blow up very soon. It means that your channel is gaining momentum and something, there's a spike that is going to happen. Once you get to that spike, your channel is going to blow up. Yes, and I have also noticed it in other creators in my niche that have more subscribers than me, that are already into the YouTube partner program. There's a peak at which their channel gets to, then it just blow up just like that. Yes, because they keep showing up on their channel and they do not delete any video. That is just the secret. So you need to stop and look at your channel analytics and see that, okay, there is growth happening here. If you see that there is growth happening here, then there is no need for you to stop now. This is the time you need to keep pushing in more videos. This is time you need to keep putting in more videos into your channel, and this is time to keep doing more research and keep uploading. You don't need to back down now, because you are seeing 500 and something subscriber, you are seeing less than 100 watch hour. Does not mean that your channel is not growing. It just means that it's getting there, and there is just one or two video that is going to blow up very soon. So if you are seeing all these things in your video, you are seeing that, okay, one video is going up, you are having subscriber, that video is giving you subscriber, that video is giving you everything that it needs to give you in your channel, it means that another video is going to blow up very soon. So you just need to put in more effort into creating more content on your YouTube channel. Just put in more effort into creating quality content on your YouTube channel. Yes, because if you don't continue, you are never going to see that success. You are never going to see that breakthrough. You are never going to see the end of this tunnel. You are not going to see it. You're not going to see the light, because they say there's the light at the end of the tunnel. You're not going to see that light if you don't keep pushing, if you don't keep going. Just keep going. As a YouTuber, you need to keep going, and you'll just be so surprised that people are viewing your videos, people are seeing your videos, people are watching your videos. There are so many people watching your video, quality people, quality. Those that are watching your videos are watching your video. They are silently cheering you at the back. So you need to cheer yourself up, get up and post that video. That is all I want to say in this video. So if you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up, like my video, and I'm going to say it again. If you have any solution to my live stream being disabled, please put it in the comment section or send me an email on how I'm going to contact YouTube on this issue. I am still making my research. So if I've gotten the solution, I am definitely going to come back to tell you guys the solution. But for now, I've not gotten any solution. So please help your girl out in doing this research together. Let's do this research together, and I'll be seeing you in my next video.